Hello and welcome to this video where we will come into Python and what is Python and why do you want to learn it and what doors will open up when you learn Python and what can you do with it and how to learn it. So this is an introduction video for you that are diving into the beautiful world of Python programming. So congratulations for taking the steps and welcome, and let's get started. So learning Python will open up the doors to many fields. What is Python? It's a high-level programming language. It's simple, readable syntax. So high-level means that it's not so close to machine code. Instead, you're working with a very easy syntax and it's easy to get started with. However, you can do a lot of complex things with Python as well. So it's widely used. And some key features: it's open source, so it's free for you to use. It's dynamical typing, so you don't specify which type you want directly, in contrast to statically typed languages when you're declaring variables. So it has a vast library ecosystem, and this is one of the most strong features of Python, that the ecosystem is so strong that we have a lot of libraries that we can import, so we can reuse other people's code instead of reinventing the wheel all the time. So it's object-oriented programming and functional, so you will understand more of it when we come to these parts later on in this course. And some applications of Python, of course, we have data analysis. So when you want to analyze data, Python is a go-to tool for that. You have machine learning and AI, and that is also very strong and very hot right now. And Python is the main driver for that. And then we have automation. So you can automate a lot of things that are boring using Python. So this is really fun, even if you're automating away all the boring stuffs. And then you have web scraping. You can scrape data with Python, and you can also use Python for web development. And then when it comes to career, what can you do? You can become a data scientist, you can become a data engineer, DevOps engineer, web developer, and many more roles. And a lot of those roles are connected to data. And also, usually, even if you're working with other languages, it's good to have a scripting language such as Python in your tools so that you can use it for quick and dirty analysis of different stuffs and quick and dirty small solutions for a lot of things. Okay, when you have decided to learn Python, there's a roadmap that you can follow, and this we will use to follow in our courses. So in this course, we will start learning about Git and GitHub to version control your code. And that is very important because you need to have version control in your code, to have backup, to have a history so that you can go back to different parts. And also Git and GitHub will be very useful for team development later on. So in just this simple course, we will go into how to use it as a single developer, but later on you will learn how to use it for being in software teams. And then virtual environments, very important to isolate packages. We use UV for that. It's a fantastic library, but there's a lot of other virtual environment tools as well. And let's move myself here. Oh, sorry. So I'll move myself there. Fundamental Python. So syntax, variables, data types, if, while, for. So that we will learn. We will learn data structures, so list, tuples, set, dictionary, comprehension, and comprehensions. We will learn handling text, so string, regex, file handling, very important. Error handling, very important, to raise exception, to use try except. And then we need to reuse code. There we use functions and lambda functions. We can use Python for computation, so using NumPy and vectorization. And then you can visualize the data. So you have matplotlib and you have data storytelling to visualize the data in a way that you want to affect the stakeholders. And then we have object-oriented programming. And here you have a lot of different things, such as classes, attributes, methods, properties, decorators, polymorphism, data class, encapsulation, inheritance, and much more. So that is a huge beast, which we will cover in this course. And it's very good to learn object-oriented programming as well as the functional programming approach. so that you have more tools to work with in your Python journey. And usually this case, this is enough for a Python course, I would say. But if you're going more towards data processing, which in many of my courses, I usually go this path because I really like data processing, data engineering, data science. This is more my field. And also in Python, it's very common that you go this field. For data processing, you can continue here with learning pandas, and you learn how to explore the data. It's called exploratory data analysis, and then aggregate the data, and then you build different types of dashboards. So this is a journey into Python and into data processing or data analysis. So in this video, you've seen a little bit of theory about what is Python, what can Python be used for, which type of careers that exist, and how do you learn Python, which route do you take, the roadmap. You need to go through several steps. And this will be really fun because we will cover many of these contents in this course. Stay tuned and welcome to this course and good luck with your journey. See you. Bye.